Hello, Roger Bisbee here from Skill Builder. I'm doing a bit of a bathroom rip out at the moment, and luckily, just very timely, Makita have sent in this DJR188 18 volt cordless recip saw for us to try out. We got it on loan for a couple of weeks, so we're going to make sure we use it and abuse it, put it through its paces. It's got an 18 volt platform, the same as all their drills and everything else. So if you're already running this, you can buy this naked body and it makes sense. And it's also got a brushless motor, so it should give you a lot more run time. I'm running this on 5 amp hour batteries at the moment, so I'm going to see just how much work we can get out of that. I've put on one of the Makita demolition blades, which are good for going through all kinds of things. You hit the odd nail and so on, it's not going to harm it, and they reckon they've got a very long life. So we'll give it a go and see what we think. That is nuts. I can't believe that that blade went through the tile. I just thought I'd give it a go, but blimey, it's good. I wish I'd tried this days ago. I've been working all day on this bloody thing, and all of a sudden, job's done. Quite honestly, if I bought this saw just for this one job, it would have paid its way. It really would, because it speeded it up so much. Well, there you are. I've given this a go. I filled a skip full of timber, and probably the biggest mistake I made was using this demolition blade to cut through the tiles, because although it did it, and it did it surprisingly well, it was never quite as good after it did it, and you can just see that it started to heat up at that point there, which is just where I was cutting the tiles, and that's pretty much blunt there now, so bit of a shame. That's all still sharp. Expensive blade, but it did the job and it got me home, so I suppose I shouldn't complain. But as for the tool itself, very nice indeed. It's got a low vibration, it's nice and compact, so you can get it into those spaces where you might not get another recip saw, and it ain't no toy. I mean, it really does do the job. Is it as good as a mains powered machine? I think probably in terms of performance it is. It's, you know, it didn't struggle with any of the jobs I gave it. The only thing is, of course, you've got to keep running back to charge your batteries, and I did 3 charges for that job, so that was ripping out a bathroom, cutting through plywood, cutting through timber stud work, all that kind of thing, and I had to go back to the charger 3 times. So on a 5 amp hour battery, you know, maybe a 6 amp hour battery, I might have got away with 2 charges, but yeah, depends how far away your charger is and how many times you worry about going back to it. For me, I drink more tea than I do battery charges, so if I go and have a cup of tea, change the batteries over, no loss. But yeah, nice tool. Would I buy it? I would buy it if I was running Makita platform on its own. Certainly, I don't think it would be worth changing your platform for. In other words, if you're running somebody else, the Milwaukee saw that I've got, recip saw, is as good as this in terms of performance. The only thing is it's a bit of a different shape, slightly larger, so I kind of like that being short, and if you put a little stubby blade on it, you really can get yourself into some tight corners. So I hope you found that useful. That's the tool. I'm Roger Bisbee, and come back to Skill Builder as soon as you can, because we've got a lot going on Skill Builder. And if you're not a subscriber, if you'd like to become a subscriber, we'd love to have you join our list of subscribers, and press the little bell at the top. You get an automatic reminder of any videos that we post up.